50 and gains 1/10 of the cost price, then the gain percentage is 11%. True or false? So here always remember one basic thing. Gain percentage or profit percentage will always be on a cost price. So you have to find the cost price first. Okay? But this is a typical problem. Here nothing is required. Why? What is asked? The gain percentage is given 11% and gain is given 1/10. So what we have to do? We have to just equate 1/10 to 11%. 1/10 is in terms of actual rupees and this is in terms of percentage. So convert 1/10 into percentage. How? 1/10 in percentage terms. Whenever you have to convert anything to percentage, multiply it by 100. So 1 upon 10 into 100, it becomes 10%. But what is given? 11%. So it is false. Next, the cost price of a dining table is rupees 1500 and its marked price is rupees 1800. If the shopkeeper sells it at a loss of 8%, then the discount offered by him is 23 1/3 percentage. That is true or false. One typical thing you have to remember in this, the shopkeeper is selling at a loss. Loss means lower than the cost price, not lower than the selling price. Okay. What is the cost price? 1500. What is the selling price? Means marked selling price 1800. Now he is selling at a loss of 8%. So 8% will be reduced on what? 1800 or 1500. So it will be reduced on 1500. Why? Because he is selling at a loss. If he sells 8% lower than 1800, then he is not selling at a loss because his cost is 1500, right? So he is selling at lower than 1500. So see this, selling price equals to 92 upon 100. Why 92? 8% loss. So what is the selling price then? 92. 100. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.